So to stay the side, you put in your arm measurement. That was 13. So we have 1 inch allowance left. Let's remember when we're cutting our kaftan, we left 1 inch allowance. If you want to measure, you can do that. You want to be sure with the allowance that you are left with. So when you get to the armhole area, please secure to make that part stronger. So you stitch your 1 inch throughout. When you get to this part, secure right here. You can decide to measure. So after this, we'll just go and knit the whole edges and the down, and come and press. So after doing your knitting all around the hem area, you press your seam to settle. After pressing your seam to settle, press open. Press your seams open, the sides and the sleeve. Press the sleeve too as well. And now you turn to the right side. Take your time and press as well. Here, come to the sleeve area. This part. Press the side. Your pressing determines how neat your work is going to look. So please, after this, you come here, make sure it's in line with this side. Same thing for here. Then you place your fusible web there. So we come to this side too as well. You match up with this. Come here. Make sure they're all matching up this way. And now your fusible comes. I don't like to stitch these parts of my kaftan because I don't want to see any other stitch at the hem unless it's a decorative stitch. If it's not, I prefer using my fusible web in order to make it neat for me. So now we have our kaftan looking like this. Then now we can come and work on the length. From here to here, the length was 30. And we added 2. We are having our 32. So we can do our folding. Let's check again. We have our 30 now. Then you come here and measure down. And check what you are getting. This is 20 and half. So let's come to this side too and check if we are getting the same thing. Yeah, 20 and half. And now we know we are good to go. Don't say since you have 2 inches at the hem, just go and iron. Make sure you put in your measurements. So we have this. Erase this, and now, as I said, I don't like stitching the hem of my senator suit or kaftan. I prefer using the hemming gum or fusible web.